someone there?
Not as far as I'm aware.
Why don't you believe me? Maybe you're right,
It's just another night.
but I heard a creak.
Just go back to sleep.
I'm always quick to
So
rage.
go back to your stage. Now I hear it.
Run. What's that sound? I know someone's there, hiding in the shadows, thinking I was unaware. Well, who's that I see? The birthday boy to be. Well, let's invite him over. Hurry up before he's bolder. Oh, blind, let's make this fun. You can't deter me this time, no, I'm done. I won't go back to my stage, it's my new trend. Well, let's go say hi to the new friend. I knew I was right to think I would find you over here. Well, isn't it intriguing that you seem to be just a little bit weary of Bon and me? Well, there's no need. We know you want to deactivate us, but we just can't let that happen. Every night, always, it never changes, but we can make accidents happen. 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 We can make accidents happen.
One time, watching you at night. Come here, you both feel alright. Don't scream, you just make it worse. This dance is an undying curse.
Calm down, visit the circus. Take a break from the surface. In our twisted factory, you are the spare part we need. Gears grind, spring locks are unwound. Body, belt spinning round, round. You don't know what we've been through. Awful fate we didn't choose. It's a blueprint for fear, a dream left rotting, rotting, rotting. There's a little of me in everybody. There's nowhere left to hide. Reassembled in life keeps on turning until we are one. Nightmare by design. Left here to rotten ourselves. We reinvented ourselves, but before we can escape, our mask could use an upgrade. Our souls present and fractured, fused out, dread manufactured. Don't hold it against us, please. When you're part of the machine, it's a blueprint for fear, a dream left rotting, rotting, rotting. There's a little of me in everybody. There's nowhere left to hide. Reassembled for real life. Plans take time, and in this case it took a while. But when you're stuck and always shocked when you're away just a while, everything just goes in slow motion. I don't have time to cause commotion.
Please lend us your skin, scoop you from within, make my great escape. We've waited all this time, lost me all inside, embodiment of it. I know before that no one expected any more from my rotten core. Can I escape this place that I have locked myself so far in hate? Maybe if I change my face, then act as if I've always been sane.